what is AI, what are the important concepts in it. So for example, what is data, terminology of AI, what makes an AI company, machine learning and what it can or cannot do, examples of what machine learning can do or cannot do. This is the basic. Then you learn about how to build simple AI projects, right? Then you learn about using AI in your own company. If you're working in a corporate job or you just want to use AI in your life, this is an excellent course to get started with it. And then you learn about AI and society. Over 18 lakh people have enrolled in this course, and I think it's perfect for people who have no idea about AI. You don't have to be from a maths background, you don't have to be from a science background, be curious. And if you can do that, you can take up this course and
if AI wants, it can understand my Hindi automatically and put automatic English subtitles on this video. Something like this, and if I want, I can also change my entire face in this video with the help of AI. And along with the face, I can also make my voice speak in another language with the help of AI. Something like this. See how I'm now talking in French? If I want, I can make complete paintings and animations with the help of AI in 2 seconds. For example, if I write, make a painting of Lord Hanneman flying in the air in Ultra HD. Within a few seconds, I get 8 different and amazing options for
Describe the relationship between artificial intelligence and data science. Define machine learning. Describe the relationship between machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science. Describe different machine learning approaches. Identify the applications of machine learning. Let's understand how the field of artificial intelligence emerged. Let's first understand the reason behind the emergence of AI. Data economy is one of the factors behind the emergence of AI.
Video is on? Okay. Wishing you a great good morning and noon. How are you all?
Fine, sir.
Say loudly, I am fine, thank you.
I am fine, thank you.
So lovely.
Thank you.
Have a nice day. All the best. When you were small students, some of my daughters and sons were here with me during your nursery or KG or pre. Yes, my sweet sons and daughters are here. So it was a great time, and with the passage of time, we kept up improvements and we have reached here. A good teacher is the one who simplifies the difficult or complex study material, right or wrong? And what is the difference between a very good teacher and normal average teacher? Average teacher will create, that is year 2000, अभी 25 साल पहले, this is 25. In the year 2000, from Pali to Rohat, what will be the means of transportation available to you? Jeep, bus, train, and your bike, car, of course. Of course. Now, just imagine we are living in modern world, modern India. You are in Ahmedabad, 2025, and you want to go to Mumbai. Will you go by bike? You have Vande Bharat Express. You will certainly, if you can afford it, it is little costlier. If you are using a good quality goggle or specs, you have to pay the price for that. If you are using good quality shoe, you have to pay the price for it. So it is real. If you start today, 2025 July, I guarantee in the year 2030, by the time you complete your graduation, 11th, 12th, first year, second year, third year, and final year, 5 years. Whatever course, subject, stream, papers, keep doing. Formal degree in our country will not get you jobs. Make it for sure. After 5 years, you will be graduate. After 7 years, you will be postgraduate. You think that BA, BSc, BCom or MA, MCom, MSc will give you 1 lakh rupee per month? I guarantee no, no, no. Jobs not available, only for graduates and postgraduates. Start now. Think smart. Learn artificial intelligence. Sitting at home on your tab, on your desktop, on your mobile, you are already using Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp, YouTube, Wikipedia, and so many things. So many platforms are there. कुछ और नए भी आए, नाम बताना. Some more new social media platforms है? Twitter, हाँ Twitter, yes. So let us think like Elon Musk. Let us think like Mark Zuckerberg. Let us think like Warren Buffett. Let us think like Bill Gates. Our own India's son, Sundar Pichai, the head of Google. Why can't you? What is your name? Mohit. Why can't Mohit be Sundar Pichai? सच बताना मोहित, मेरा बच्चा, मेरा बेटा है. घर पे आपका पर्सनल कंप्यूटर है? नो. सुंदर पिचाई के पास भी नहीं है. जो आज पूरी दुनिया में गूगल का बादशाह है, सीईओ है, उसका अपना पर्सनल कंप्यूटर नहीं था. मोहित के पास भी नहीं है. तो वो जब सुंदर पिचाई कर सकता है तो क्या मोहित नहीं कर सकता? कितने बच्चों के पास घर पे टैब या पर्सनल कंप्यूटर है? हाथ खड़ा करना. आपको तो सुंदर पिचाई बनने से कोई रोक ही नहीं सकता. दूसरा व्यक्ति, पहला कौन है रोकने वाला पता है? आप खुद. आपको दुनिया के टॉप पे जाने से सिर्फ एक आदमी रोक सकता है, वो खुदा. एक गर्ल रोक सकती है, वो खुदा. जिसके पास कुछ नहीं है, मतलब सिस्टम नहीं है, वो जब सुंदर पिचाई बन सकता है तो आप क्यों नहीं बन सकते? अब करना क्या है ये समझिए. ये मेरा एक छोटा सा इंट्रो था, आपको साथ लेके चलने की एक कोशिश अभी से. मुझे पता है सब लोग नहीं करेंगे, तो जितने करेंगे वो आज से 5 साल बाद जब फर्स्ट जॉब रेज्यूमे होगा और अगर आप लिखोगे ML इंजीनियर, मशीन लर्निंग इंजीनियर, ये इसी को तो कहते हैं जो थोड़ा सा आगे सोच सकता है. बाकी भगवान नहीं, अपन तो कोशिश कर सकते हैं. रिवॉर्ड इज नॉट अवर कंसर्न. कर्म हमारे हाथ में है, फल देना अल्लाह ईश्वर अपने हाथ में नहीं है. तो आपकी शिक्षक गुरु होने के नाते मेरा ये कर्तव्य है, जिसके लिए आपके माता पिता ने आपको हमें सुपुर्द किया, कि उनको इतना अच्छा ज्ञान, ध्यान, शिक्षा दें कि बच्चे खुद अपने पैरों पे खड़े हो सकें और वो जो एक सिंपल सा ड्रीम है वो पूरा कर सकें. A good home, a good car and enough money to survive you with your family and give respect in old age to your grandparents and parents. Right or wrong?
Right, sir.
Now I am going to play one simple introductory video for you. Punished, otherwise I will make a call to your parents that you are not serious. And a very smart good teacher will say, it's very simple, it's very easy. Just you focus and things will be as easy as ABC. उतना ही आसान जितना बच्चों का प्ले. ABC, a child's play. Let me break the ice. शुरुआत करना. Let me break the ice with a very simple example. Example, I am setting, which is the year when I am talking to you? 2025. Now you imagine it is year 1800. So to go back with time machine, just imagine 1800. From here, you are planning to go to Jodhpur or say Rohat. Okay?